Clifford, ang sakit. Ilang taon, 5 taon tayong hindi nagkita. Ano nangyari sa iyo? Anong ginawa mo?
17 years old.
Joke lang. Galing ni Sir Clifford. Now is a famous boxer here in Philippines. So, gagawin natin ang ginagawa niya. Gumagano'n tayo, sir. Okay, sandali. Wait lang. Kalma. Okay, sige, ready? Music! Ladies and gentlemen, from the Philippines! Come on! Wow! Sige, go, ma'am. Wala akong ginawang masama. Akala ko lang wala. Pero meron! Palit ba ako? Then why?
Dolunay ka antum şükür bunu bak başarınca. Mari eksumun antum şükür tuhin.
Ida ka, Roman, shop and deal.
Shoulder.
Tumay.
Martes.
Tayo, ay wala na.
Ay, ang bilis! Martes! Wala na tayo. Miyerkules.
Dapat ka ng iyong pag-ibig.
Wow! Huwebes.
Ay, ibig din kita.
It's you, you make me see your every lie, your every word, my everything. La la la. For the perfume bar, we also have for the makeup Piwani field, and also we have for the photos I need as such a great art team. And also Nature's Village Resort. Thank you so much for the food catering services and of course for the venue. And to our couple, just the start of a new beginning, I mean, as a married couple. As you prepare this wedding, you also prepare for a lifelong commitment, and that is your marriage. Thank you so much to Mr. and Mrs. Gentlemen, this has been the wedding reception of Mr. and Mrs. Ahmed and Jennifer Al-Shrahi. And this has been your senior host, and